Hello, my name is Lee Coleman from Hughes and Coleman Injury Lawyers, and today I want to talk with you about why you need a personal injury lawyer after a car accident in Bowling Green and how we can help. First thing to understand is that the insurance adjuster is not on your side. They may seem nice, the good ones do. They make friends with you so that at the end they can get you to accept what usually is an insufficient settlement. A personal injury lawyer that you hire works for you and will fight the insurance adjuster who is not on your side. Second, you need to understand that the value of your case can be much different depending on what's done throughout the case. A personal injury lawyer who does this for a living day in and day out knows what to do so that at the end of the case you get the most money possible. And third, you need to understand that hiring a personal injury lawyer doesn't cost you anything unless they get a settlement for you, unless they get money for you. Our firm, most personal injury lawyers work on a contingent fee, which simply says that you only pay them a percentage of what they get for you and only if they get money for you. So you can hire a personal injury lawyer to get to work now, building up the value of your case, and then you don't have to pay them a dime until the money comes in the door at the end of the case. Our clients have a team of highly experienced personal injury attorneys on their side, advocating for their needs and helping to ensure that they receive the highest possible compensation. If you've been injured by someone else's negligence, we're here for you 24/7. Take control and call us today at 800-800-4600. For additional helpful tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel.